Hi, welcome to your 10-minute guided meditation and deep relaxation yoga for first thing in the morning. We'll start our meditation with a moving meditation. Interlace all fingers but your pointer finger and press your thumbs together at your breastbone. Be linking breath and movement together, and then we'll add in the visualization. Shoulders stacked over hips, pull your chin back, long spine. On your next inhalation, extend your hands straight up, long spine, find even more length in the spine, and exhale, extend out through the arms, bringing your fingertips back down to the earth. Feel the earth under your fingertips, then bring your hands back to your heart. Interlace the fingers, extending your index fingers, your hands up to the sky. Exhale, extend out through the fingertips, really stretch to the left and right, releasing your fingertips down, feeling the earth beneath your fingertips. Inhale the hands back to the heart and up. Exhale, extending out through the arms. At the end of your exhalation, pause, noticing the feel of your fingertips on the ground. Inhale, extending the arms up. Visualize a light going from your tailbone up through the crown of the head. Exhale, the light flows over, through, and around you back down to the earth. With the inhalation, extend the arms straight up from the heart, light traveling up the spine. Exhale, the light flows over, around, and through you as your arms release back down, fingertips to the earth. Hands to the heart. Inhale, extending the arms up, pulling the energy from the earth up your spine, all the way out the crown of the head. Exhale the light over, around, and through you. Your fingertips come back to the earth. Continuing here in your own rhythm, the rhythm of your own breath. When you're ready in your own time, bring your left palm on top of your heart and the right hand on top of the left. Continuing this visualization without the movement. So every breath in, see, sense, or feel light traveling up your spine from the earth, all the way out the top of your head. On every exhalation, this light travels like a shower through and out around you, back down to the earth. Every breath in, see, sense, or feel the light traveling up the base of the spine, up your back, all the way out the top of your head. Every breath out, the light flows down through you and around you, back down towards the earth. Continuing here on your own, and you'll hear my voice in a few minutes. Rubbing your hands now in front of your heart generates some heat. Feel your physical body, feel the energy and the heat in the hands. Bring this energy, your palms, over your eyes. Smooth it along your face. And then come on, let's straighten those legs and ground back down into the body after our meditation together. So smoothing the hands up and down the tops of the legs, the thighs, swirling, circling around the knees. And running the hands up and down the shins, the lower legs, before circling around the ankles or pressing the feet. Now come around the calves, circle around the backs of the legs, and then bringing the hands back and forth to the hamstrings. Circle around the hips. Smoothing the right hand down from the chest, down the inside of the left arm a few times, and then from the wrist up to the shoulder, along the back side of the arm. Other side, right chest down the inside of the arm towards the wrist, then smooth up the back of the arm to the shoulder. Circling in around the joints now. Every joint gets a little attention. And then smooth the energy, smooth your awareness down into your body before setting up for Shavasana, a well-deserved, very important Shavasana, so you can integrate all the work that you've done. Allow your spirit, your mind, your body, your emotional body to all rest and rejuvenate. I love to bring pillows underneath the knees and then a pillow underneath my heels, trying to get my heels a little higher than the knees. Relaxing down onto the back. Breathe in deeply through the nose. Slowly as you can out the mouth. Letting go on every level here. Now, only in your mind, on the inhalation, breathe in through the right nostril. On the exhale, through the left nostril. Inhale through the left nostril. Exhale out the right nostril. Inhale through the right nostril. Exhale out the left nostril. Continuing in this pattern on your own for the next few minutes. your own time, roll over onto your right side, taking 2 deep breaths on your right side. And press into the palm of the left hand to come up to seated, reflecting on any shifts or changes since the beginning of your practice. Knowing that the healing work that you've done in this 90-minute yin yoga class will continue to reverberate, to deepen for the next 24 to 72 hours. I'm wishing you deep healing, so much laughter, and moments of pure joy. From my heart, Namaste.